So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the 30th characteristic of successful people. They always want to be uncomfortable. So basically, moment the successful people they realize that they are into a comfortable situation, they will become uncomfortable. They will feel uneasy because they know that moment they are in comfortable situation, they are not growing, they are not trying new things, they are doing the familiar things, and which will not lead them to a further successful path. So successful people, they will always welcome an uncomfortable situation. That doesn't mean that knowingly, I mean, they will push themselves towards some situations and some undesirable situation, but knowingly they will put themselves into a situation which is unfamiliar to them, which is new to them. They will learn out of it, they will try to explore that, and from there they will grow themselves, and they will never sit, or they will never stay in one position, one comfortable position for long. On the other hand, I mean, unsuccessful people, they will always avoid uncomfortable situation. They want to be in the place where they will have the entire comfort of their life. The slightest change in the routine will make them uncomfortable, and due to this particular characteristics, due to this particular reason, I mean, the people who love to be in a comfortable situation, they will never succeed in their life. So friend, thank you very much. So I will come with the next characteristics of successful people. Till then, bye. See you again.